Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's webinar. This workshop organized by Indian Youth Development Skill IYDS India. My name is Shad. I am happy to welcome you all in this Microsoft PowerPoint workshop. In this video lecture, we are going to cover PowerPoint basics, working with objects and more objects, review, collaborating, customizing your presentations, and much more. Now, before I am starting the workshop, I requested to all of you subscribe the channel and comment on the video so that we easily identifying the active participants, and participants can use the WhatsApp group discussion platform for asking the questions related to lectures. Our WhatsApp group will be open after the session for 1 hour. Your question will be addressed through a video by tomorrow itself. Now I am starting the lecture. Be attention and be active. PowerPoint is a presentation program that allows you to create a dynamic slide presentations. These presentations can include animations, narrations, images, videos, and much more. In this lesson, you will learn your way around the PowerPoint environment, including the ribbon, axis, quick access toolbar, and the backstage view. Getting to know PowerPoint 2016 is similar to PowerPoint 2013 and PowerPoint 2010. If you have previously used these versions, PowerPoint 2016 should feel familiar for you. But if you are new to PowerPoint or have more experience with older versions of PowerPoint, you should first take some time to become familiar with that interface of the PowerPoint 2016. The PowerPoint interface, when you open PowerPoint for the first time, the start screen will appear. Now I'm going to open PowerPoint. Just type PowerPoint. See? Now, when you open PowerPoint for the first time, the start screen will appear. From here, you will able to create a new presentations, choose a template, and access your recently edited presentations. From the start screen, locate and select blank presentation to access the PowerPoint interface. Working with the PowerPoint environment, the ribbon and the quick access toolbar. Now I'm going to select blank presentations. Just select now. Working with the PowerPoint environment. See, the ribbon and quick access toolbar are where you will find the command to perform common tasks in PowerPoint. Backstage View gives you various options for saving, opening a file, printing, and sharing your documents. Now I'm going to discuss about the ribbon tab. PowerPoint uses a tabbed ribbon system instead of traditional menus. The ribbon contains multiple tabs. This is the ribbon tabs: Home, File, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animation, Slideshow, Review, View, and this is the Tell Me feature. Tell me what you want to do. And this is the sign in. If you have Microsoft account, you just click on that sign in. Or you want to share your presentations, you can click on that share options also. So the ribbon contains multiple tabs, each with several groups of commands. For example, the font group, I'm in Home tab, just click on that first. Now, in this Home ribbon tab, the font group on the Home tab contains command for formatting text in your document. Some groups also have a small arrow in the bottom right corner that you can click for more options. See, this is the bottom right corner in the dialog. So just hold a mouse on the second for to see a dialog. Some groups also have a small arrow. Now, showing and hidden the ribbon tab. If you want to hide this ribbon tab, what do you want to do? So now, if you want to hide this, go to this option, see the ribbon display options. The ribbon is designed to respond to your current task, but you can choose to minimize if if you find that it takes up too much spaces on screen. Click the ribbon display options arrow in the right corner of the ribbon to display the drop down menu. Just click on that. See, there's 3 options over that. The auto hide ribbon, it says auto hide displays your workshop, display your workbook in full screen mode and completely hides the ribbon. To show the ribbon, click the expand ribbon command at the screen tab. Just click on that. See, all the ribbons tab will be disappear in this presentations document. Now going to back, click on that auto hide ribbon, show tabs and command to bring it back. See, and the second option says these options hides all the commands group when they are not in use, but tabs will remain visible. To show the ribbon, simply click tabs, just click on that. See, all the groups when they are not in use, it is visible, but the tab ribbon tab will remain in the presentations work. Now going to back, to get it back, then click on the show tab and command. This feature says options maximize the ribbon. All of the tabs and commands will be visible. This option is selected by default when you are open PowerPoint for the first time. Now, this is the tell me feature. Tell me what you want to do. If you are having trouble finding command you want, the tell me feature can help it. It works just like a regular search bar. Type what you are looking for and a list of options will appear. You can then use the command directly from the menu without having to find it on the ribbon, or you can just type on the tell me bar to show locate the ribbon box. So just click on that. If you want to search anything, just click on that and type what you want to know. Now I'm going to know the chart. See, when I tap the chart, this chart tab will appear in this tell me options. Okay, now going to quick access toolbar, located just above the ribbon. The quick access toolbar lets you access common commands no matter which tab is selected. By default, it includes the save, undo. This is the save and the undo and the redo button. This is the preview of your presentations. By default, there are 3 options selected over that in the quick access toolbar. You can add other command depending on your preferences. Just click on this drop down menu. See, there are several commands. Just to add commands to the quick access toolbar, click the drop menu and the quick access toolbar will appear. Select the command you want to add from the drop down menu. To choose from one command, select more command. Just I want to put the spelling into the quick access toolbar. See, our spelling tab will display in the quick access toolbar. Now moving forward to the ruler and guides and the grid lines. PowerPoint includes several tools to help organize and arrange content on your slides, including the ruler, guides, and the grid lines. These tools make it easier to align objects on your slides. Simply click the checkbox. Just click on that. View options. Show group on the view. Simply click the checkbox in the show group on the view tab to show the hide these tools. Show the hide view. Grid lines. See, the grid lines will appear in these presentations. I'm going to select new slide. No, it is fine. See, zoom and other view options. These are the grid lines. You can click on the view in ribbon box. See the under the ruler is the grid lines and the guides options also. And this is the guides, which is divided in two parts. And this is the grid lines. When you untick, the grid lines will disappear from your document. This is the zoom. This is the zoom and other view options. PowerPoint has a variety of viewing options that change how your presentations is displayed. You can choose to view your presentations in normal view, slide sorter view, reading view, or slideshow view. You can also zoom in and zoom out to make your presentation easier to read. Switching slides view, just click on that. These are the three types of view, four types of view. Switching between different slides view is easy. Just locate and select the desired slide view you want to command in the bottom right corner your PowerPoint window. Zooming in and out. See, this is the normal view. This is the slide shorter. See, our slide will shorter. Now going to move, click on the normal view. Now this is the reading view. This is the reading view. Now going to back, click on the normal view. See, our normal view will appear in the document. Now going backstage view. Backstage view gives you a various options for saving and opening, printing, and sharing your presentations. To access backstage view, click the file tab on the ribbon. Just click that file tab on the ribbon. Click the button in the interactive below to learn. Just click on that. See, there's various options. MS PowerPoint will give you the save options and the print, share, export your data, close account options, and the protection. If you want to protect your presentations, just click on that. This is the encrypt with password. You can give the password for that your presentation. Just put your password. I'm giving 123 for that. Okay, re-enter your password again. Click OK. See, your password is required to open these presentations. Suppose your friend wants to open your presentations, but you give your password for that. Without password, it can't be open. Just go to the file. Now, many features in Office are geared towards saving and sharing files online. OneDrive is Microsoft online storage spaces that you can use to save, edit, and share your presentations and other files. You can access OneDrive from your computer, smartphone, or any other devices you use. To get started with OneDrive, all you need to do is set up a free Microsoft account is similar to Gmail account, but you have to access Microsoft profile, Microsoft software. You have the Microsoft account. If you don't have already, you just go and sign up the Microsoft account for that. See, this is the sign in option. Just click on that. If you have the Microsoft account, you just click on that sign in and do your work. I don't have to put this Microsoft account over there. Now I'm going to click that. See, now benefits of using OneDrive. Once you have signed in into your Microsoft account, here are a few of the things you will be able to do with OneDrive. Access your files anywhere. When you save your files to OneDrive, you will be able to access them from any computer, tablet, or smartphone that has an internet connection. You will also be able to create a new presentations from OneDrive. Backup your files. Saving files to OneDrive give them an extra layer of protection. Even if something happens to your computer, OneDrive will keep your files safe and accessible. Share your files. It's easy to share your OneDrive file with friends and colleagues and co-workers. You can choose whether they can edit or simply read files. This option is great for collaborating because multiple people can edit a presentation at the same time, also known as co-authoring. Now, the saving and opening files. This is the saving and opening files. When you are signed into Microsoft account, OneDrive will appear as an option whenever you save or open a file. You still have the option of saving files to your computer also. However, saving files to your OneDrive allow you to access them from any other computer, and it also allow you to share file with friends and co-workers. For example, this is the sign in. Now put your Microsoft account, click on the next button. Microsoft account OneDrive is going to appear in the sheet. Now moving forward, PowerPoint files are called presentations. Whenever you start a new project in PowerPoint, you will need to create a new presentation, which can either be blank or from a template. You will also need to know how to open an existing presentations. To create a new presentations, just click on that, new. See, when beginning a new project in PowerPoint, you will often want to start with a new blank presentations. Select the File tab to go the Backstage View. Select the File tab to go to Backstage View. Select New on the left side of the window. See? Then click Blank Presentations, or you want to choose any template from that. You just click on that and put it to your work. Just click on that and then click on Create button. Here you see the create. All the images will see that there's the next images. There's the next. All the slides will appear in your sheets. Now I'm going to select this. See, all the slides will be appear in my presentations. You can edit by your desired options. To create a new presentations, just click on that. Just go to the file ribbon. Now, in addition to creating a new presentations, you will often need to open a presentation that was previously saved. Select the file type, Backstage View. This is the Backstage View of presentation or MS Office. Click on the Open bar. See, I have 4 presentations files in my computer. click browse. Alternatively, you can choose OneDrive to open files stored on your OneDrive also. See the OneDrive. If you have OneDrive account, just click on and put your presentation and get into work. Now I'm going to select the open dialog box will appear. Locate and select your presentation, then click open. I want to click on this, or if you want to pin up presentations in the top of the list, just click on that. Right click, pin to list. Just click on that pin to list. Our IYDS PPT for video is on top. Now I'm going to open this. The file will corrupted, so that's why it can't show. Okay, see, this is the IYDS. Now I'm going to hide the grid lines. See, now PowerPoint offers two ways to save a file: save and save as. These options work in similar ways with a few important differences. Go to the File ribbon tab. See, there are two ways to save your file. This is save and the save as. My file was already saved in the IYDS name. To save your file when you create or edit presentations, you will use the save command to save your changes. You will use this command most of the time. When you save a file, you will only need to choose a file name and location the first time. After that, you can just click the save command to save it with the same and name and locations. Save as, you will use this command to create a copy of presentations, keeping the file original. When you use save as, you will need to choose a different name or location for the copied version. As I'm using this save as because my file already has been saved in the save formats, so I'm going to save as and put a name. I want to choose the path of desktop. Just click on the desktop if you want to save your file in desktop. Give the name for that and click save. Now go to file, open. See, the IYDS is also created in my document in desktop. Earlier we have 4 presentations. Now we have 5 presentations file, PPT file. Okay. Now this is the exporting. By default, PowerPoint presentations are saved in the ppttx.pptx file type. This is the format of PowerPoint presentations file .pptx. However, there may be times when you need to use the another file type such as PDF or PowerPoint, the other versions of presentations. It's easy to export your presentation from PowerPoint in a variety of files types. If you want to save your file in PDF form, go to the Save As, choose your path. Now I'm going to save in PDF form. Choose your PDF here, or MS give you the various types of file saving options. Most commonly, we use PDF or PPTX format. For that, just go to the PDF. If you want to convert your presentations in PDF format, click on that PDF. Just click on the save. Next. It's going to be done. Now, yes. This is the export. If you have a CD, if you have a presentations, create a video or PDF format you want to put in XPS document or your presentations format, you just have to select the create, export your document into the PPTX format. If you have a PDF format you want to convert in this PPTX format, just click on this export and choose your desired options for converting your document in PPTX format. Now, if you want to share your presentations, PowerPoint makes it easy to share and collaborate on presentation using OneDrive. In the past, if you wanted to share a file with someone, you couldn't send it as a mail attachment. While convenient, this system also creates multiple versions of the same file, which can be difficult to organize. When you share a presentation from PowerPoint, you are actually giving other access to the exact same file. This lets you and the people you share with edit the same presentation without having to keep track of multiple versions. To share the presentation, click the file type. This is the file tab ribbon. This is the share options over there. To share pane will appear. Click on that, share. This is the share pane. Choose your command to share your presentation. If you want to mail direct from here, just click on the mail and put the mail of the sender, receiver. Okay. Now, every PowerPoint presentation is composed of a series of slides. Is composed of a series of slides. To begin creating a slideshow, you will need to know the basics of working with slides. You will need to feel comfortable with tasks such as inserting a new slide, changing the layout of a slide, arranging existing slides, changing the slide view, and adding notes to a slide. Understanding the slides and slide layouts. When you insert new slide, just go to the Backstage View. This is the home file, design, transitions, animations, slideshow, review, and the view options. When you insert a new slide, it will usually have placeholder to show you where content will be placed. Slides have different layouts for placeholder depending on the type of information you want to include. Whenever you create a new slide, you will need to choose a slide layout that fits your document or your content. Now, see, go to this is the new slide. If you want to select any of that, just click on that. I'm going to click do content for my presentations, or you can select any of them. Select. See, our new blank slide will appear in the presentations. Placeholders can contain different types of content, including text, images, and videos. Many placeholders have thumbnail icons. Also, you can click to add specific types of content in the example below. See, in the example, the slide has placeholder for the title and the content. Whenever you start a new presentation, it will contain one slide with the title slide layout. You can insert as many slides as you need from a variety of layouts. From the Home tab, click the bottom half of the New Slide command. This is the New Slide command. You can select what you want to put in your presentation. The new slide will appear. Click any placeholder and begin typing to add text. You can also click an icon to add other types of content such as picture or chart. See, such as picture or chart. To change the layout of an existing slide, click the layout command. Click the layout command. See, this is the layout command. Then choose the desired layout. To quickly add a slide that uses the same layout as the selected slides, click the top half of the new slide. Just click on that. See, our layout add text will appear in our presentations slide. Now, if you want to organize your slide, PowerPoint presentation can contain as many slides as you need. The slide navigation pane, the left side of the screen, make it easy organize your slide. From there, you can duplicate, rearrange, and delete slides in your presentations. Working with the slide, duplicate slide. If you want to copy and paste the slide quickly, you can duplicate it. To duplicate slide, select the, see, just click on that. If you want to duplicate this slide or this slide, just click on that, duplicate. See, our duplicate slide will create in the presentations. First is our, and the next is duplicate. Now if you want to move your slides, it's easy to change the order of your slide. Just click and drag the desired slide in the slide navigation pane to the desired positions. Now I'm going to move this slide to the end. See, our slide is in the end. Or if you want to copy and paste slides, just if you want to create a several slide with the same layout, you may find it easier to copy and paste the slide you have already created instead of starting with an empty slide. Select the slide if you want to copy and select if you want to copy that. This is the copy options. Click copy command and the shortcut key is Control C. You want to put that, just paste. See, our presentation slide will appear in the third slide of the document. Customizing your slides. If you customize your slide, this is the slides basics. If you customize your slide, just drag it up and down to your desired options. Just click on drag and down to select the customize. If you want to put an image, or if you want to edit this, you can just click on that and type what you want to give heading, just IYDS India. Or if you want to change the color of this, just click on that and select the whole. Go to the font ribbon, select the desired color you want to change. I'm going to select red color for that. See, or if you want to change the format of font size or font, now going to select this Algerian for my font. Or if you want to increase your font size, just click on this side font size button. This is the PT of the size. See, or if you want to more, just click and type your desired. I want to put 100 PT for that. See, or if you want to increase more, just click on that and put your numbers, hit enter. See, if you want to decrease the font size, just click on that, select the desired options, and this is the increase fonts options by clicking one by one, or this is the decrease, and this is the uppercase or change case. If you want to change the case in this IYDS India, it's written in block letters. I want to change in small letters. So what do we want to do? Just click on that change case, go to lowercase. If you want to change, just go to lowercase. No, this is the default. That's why it can't be changed. I'm going to click this. See, India IYDS, and I'm going to change this in lowercase. See, it will work in this text, but it can't be work in this case, because when I starting typing, my caps locks will be on. So that's why it can't work on that text. Okay, understood. Now this is the spaces between your characters. If you want to change the space or want to increase the space of your character, just click on that. Loose, very loose, see, or more spacing. If you want to change the spacing size, just click on that. 15, okay. Or if you want to more, just click on that. Okay, see, the sizes with the characters of increases. Or if you want to decrease, just similarly you can decrease your space by clicking on that. Very tight, just click, select all, very tight, tight, and the normal, and the loose. By default, it is in normal mode. Now this is the bold functions. If you want to bold or highlight, basically bold is for highlight the text. Just select on that, go to the bold options. See, our bold command will appear. I'm going to increase the size for your better view. Now this text already is in bold. I'm going to change in normal. See, this is in normal. Now again I'm going to bold, and this is the italic, which is cursive. See, italic, and the underline. If you want to put an underline in the text, you can just click on that U button. And this is the text shadow. Just click on that. See, our text shadow will appear in the presentation slide. This is the strike through. Just click on that strike through. This is the similar of underline, but in the text, over the text. Going back to the, if you don't want to this, just Control Z for undo. This is undo options for Control Z. If you know the MS Office, you can you know that the undo and redo command, but undo for back and the redo for the, again you have to come with that your changes. So now this is the paragraph. Now I'm going to change this, is in normal, none. This is in left alignment. If you want to put in right alignment, just click on this options, which is Control R for shortcut key, Control R. Just click on that. See, our text will be in the right positions. If you want to center alignment, just click on that center, the Control E for center alignment. See, our text will be in the center point on the slide. If you want to change the position, just click on that and change. This is the justify view. If you have more and more data, more and more text to cover all these, so I'm going to showing you. Okay. See how the justify worked. Select the desired text, go to the justify options, click the justify. See, the justify is nothing but the equal of your text. See, the text alignment will be in the proper format. Now Control Z for that changes. See, now our text is in not proper format. This is the and is in 6pt and the and review and is not filling the second line of that paragraph. Now I'm going to, if you want to put a proper alignment, just select all, or if you want to this only, just click and select all by dragging your mouse and go to the justify mode. Click on justify. See, your document will be justified manner in proper format. Now I'm going to Control Z for that. All C. Okay. Now this is the bullet or number point. If you want to highlight with bullets or numbers as similar, you see. Now go to select all the text, go to the paragraph and the bullets, choose your desired options from there. Now I'm going to select this, or if you want to change, just go again and select your desired blocks. See, our blocks and the numbers will appear in the sheets. This is the number format. If you want to change in number format or the Roman, you can select here from that. Or if you want to change bullets, see, this is the dialog box. for the changes of that Romans and the start button and the color for that. Also just click on that. If you want to change the color of your bullets and numbers, just click on that and give this the select desired options from that. And you want to change the size, just click on the size and give the desired you want. See, our changes will appear in the slides. Okay. Now, if you want to add any arrows or a star or symbol from that, just click on this drawing box. Just click on the drop down menu. See, if you want to select any of them, just click on that and just put your mouse left key and drag it. You can hold your. See, if you want to change this color of fill or outline, just click on the right click of the symbol, click on that. I'm going to click black color for that outline. Now I'm going to fill the heart with the red color. See, the heart will appear in the red color. If you want to change the style of the text or theme, you can select in the desired option in the style also. Okay, I'm going to fill with red only and the outline is black. Weighted, if you want to increase the outline of the symbol or text, you can select on that desired weight options for that. Just click on that 6pt. If you want to more lines or if you want to any of that, just click on that more lines. See, the dialog box will appear in the presentation slide. This is the format shape. If you want to change the width, just click on that and increases the width of the symbol. See, our width will be increases. Okay, and this is the transparency. If you more transparent, give more percentage, your border will be gone. See, okay. Now this is the gradient line. If you change the, if you give your symbol with the several colors or the more vibrant color, just click on that color, select this, give color for that. Okay, give color any of you want. See, our vibrant color will appear in the presentation slide. Okay, now if you want to change, just click on that and go to the color box. See, our heart is in multicolor. If you want to transparent the highlights or border also, you can just drag it down or up. Give your percentage with that. If you want to know color, just click on that no line. See, all the changes will gone. Okay, this is the shadow. If you want to shadow of that, just click on that. I will put this shadow, and this is the blur options, and this is the distance. See, distance will appear in the slides. Okay, all command, the reflections and the glow, soft edges will work for your customizations of your images or symbols, and the text also will. Now I'm going to close this. If you want to delete this, just click and delete options. Go to press on your keyboard delete key, or you can just click on that, right click on that and go to the delete options. Or you can format anything, format shape, just click on that format shape. This format shape again will appear in the sheet. Okay. Now, text can be inserted into both placeholders. If you want to put a text box for in slides, inserting text box allows you to add to the slide layout. Unlike placeholders, text boxes are always stay in the same place. Even if you change the theme also, but just go to the insert tab, ribbon tab, go to the insert ribbon tab, select the text box from that. See, this is the text box. Click on that text box. Our text box will create. This is the text box. Just drag and write your, what do you want to do? Presentations. Okay. Select and increase your font size. By dragging here and there, you can select your text, or you can delete also, or you can edit by double clicking on that. Now I'm going to delete this. Select and go to the delete button on your keyboard. Now, if you want to play the presentations, once you have arranged your slides, you may want to play your presentation. This is how you will present your slides so to an audience. Click the start from the beginning command on the quick access toolbar to see your presentations. See, this is the presentations on the quick access toolbar, or you can press F5 functions key on your keyboard. Just click on that. The presentations will appear in your screen. You can advance to the next slide. You can clicking by mouse or pressing the space bar on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can use the arrow key on your keyboard to move your forward or backward through the presentations, and press escape key to exit the presentations mode. Escape key to exit the presentation mode. This is the presentation mode. Just click on that. Now, if you want to change the slide size or the aspect ratio and the design, to change the slide size, select the design type, go to the ribbon tab. There are various options for that slide size and the design tab. If you want to select this, just click on that. See, our changes will appear in the document in the presentation slide. When I put an arrow on that, our slides will be on that same slides or design. Now I'm going to select this. Okay. All slides will converted into my design tab. To format the slide background, by default, all slides in your presentation use the white background. It's easy to change the background. To format background pane, go to the design tab, then click the format background. See, this is the format background in the screen, in the right side of the screen. Just click on that format background. See, the dialog box for the background will appear in the sheet. If you want to change the color, just go to the solid color. If you want to fill the slide with the solid color, red and white and yellow and blue, anything you want, just click on the solid fill, click on that color box, choose your desired color for that. Okay, see, our changes will appear in the presentation slide. The background style of the selected slide will updated. If you want, you can click apply to all. To apply the same background style to all slides in your presentations, to apply a theme, if you want to apply a theme, is predefined combinations of color, fonts, and effects that can quickly change the look and feel of your entire slideshow. Different themes also use different slide layouts, which can change the arrangement of your existing placeholder. We will talk more about themes later in applying in these sessions. Select the desired tab you want to. If you want to change this, just go to the select the desired tab. For that, just go to change this format background. I don't want to fill the format background, reset the background now. If you want to reset, just go to the reset background. Again in the format background dialog box. Just close this format background after you change. Now, I'm going to delete the heart of shape. Now this IYDS India also I want to delete. Just click on that and select and go to the delete of button. Press the delete button for that. Going to change the slides. Just click on that. Same PT 40. Okay. See. This is the format painter. How it works. Now I'm going to show you. Just click on that. Change the font color for. Okay. Now go to the format. See. I'm going to change the color first for better view, and the size of the font also. I'm going to change this first font size. See, and you want to this font size in the other text also, just go to the format painter, right click, go to the format painter, or you can select from the home tab, home ribbon tab, see format painter. If you want to change in this same format in C section, just click and drag. See, our changes will appear in the sheets. If you want to just, I want to give color for that, better view, yellow. Okay, if you want to this, go to the format painter. Again this, I am going to select first bullet point to format this. See, our changes will appear in the sheet just because of format painter. All the changes will be displayed in one click. If you want to this, just click on that first and go to the format painter. See, our changes will appear. See, okay. Now I'm going to undo this changes. Control Z for undo, and the Control Y for redo. Control Y. See, Control Z for undo. Okay. Now we will cover all this. This is the replace and the find button. If you want to replace anything in a document, in your slides, just I want to change the basic or PowerPoint. Just go. First, I am going to show text. Click text, copy. I'm going to paste here, paste here, paste here. Now going to find and replace. Okay, find what? I want to change the text format, text letter into the anything you want to change. Just go to text, click, press text, find what, in find what options box, and change with PowerPoint. If you want to change text into the PowerPoint, just replace all. If you want to select one also, you can click on this replace. Or you want to change all over the text in your slides, just click on the replace. See, our changes will appear in the sheet. Our text is in F format, but it converted into the PowerPoint. Okay, see our PowerPoint. Now I'm going to Control Z for that. Control Z. See, text is in F, G also, and the C point also. I'm going to change with the replace text with PowerPoint. Replace all. So, see, our text will be converted into PowerPoint text. Okay. And this is the find command. If you want to find anything in your slides, just type or match case, anything you want to find. Suppose you have 50 slides in your document, you want to find any particular word or any particular heading, just click on that and type find word box. Suppose I want to find code content. Click this. I want to it will give you the slide of course content. Understood? Suppose you have 1,000, if you have 100 slides, and you find any particular heading or any particular theme, just go to find button. See, this is the find, and you can find, go to click, and I want to find the welcome to IYDS slide. Okay, just click find next. You will be next to the font. Just untick this, find next. There is no slide for this, that's why it can't be appear in this. Okay, this is the find. I'm going to Control Z, and again I want to show you by clicking course content. For that, find next. See, our find next will appear in the slide. Okay, now this is the save offline fill. If you want to fill this color with this desired, just select the text first and go to the fill options and select the desired color you want to change. See, I want to give in bullet points cover. Go to this options for change, shape fill, or you want to give the outline of the shape, just click on that outline and give this. I want to put black. See, this is in black form. Or you want to change the color, just go to the more outline colors. This is the dialog box will appear in this slides. Just give the slides, select the desired color from custom also, or you can adjust your by pressing any numbers and click the OK button for that. See, okay, and this is the arrange, bring to front, and the now this is work with this. I want to this image in this text, but my text will hide under the image. I want to put this in front. Just click on the text, go to arrange, bring to front. See, our text will appear in the front, but our image is in behind. Now go to select, send, bring forward. Also say bring, send backward. See, I'm going to change the fill color first. No fill. If you want to this in behind, send backward. See, just because of color it can't be appear. Now it will visible in my document, in my slides. Okay, I'm going to increase the size of first. And I'm going to change this color first for better view. See, if you want to change this alignment or the arrangement of the text, just click on that, go to the arrange, bring to front, bring to back, It is already in front, going to send to back. See, our text will go behind that image. If you want to back, just click on that image, or you can select the text also. I want to this image in backward. Okay, see, our text will appear in the slide and the image will remain same. Okay, if you want to change the image color or the shades, just click on that, double click on that image, go to format options. See, here are the various options for formatting of the image. To Microsoft PowerPoint will allow you to create the images with multiple options. Just click on that desired options you want to change your image. Just click on that. See, our changes will appear while I'm going moving the mouse key button. Okay, I'm going to select this one. If you want to change picture border, just click on that border. Okay, it is already in oval, or this is the soft edge oval, that's why it can't be reflect the border. Okay, if you want to compress the picture, just click on that and desired options. If you want to give any other format, just click on that. This is the pixels format with excellent quality. If you want to reduce the quality of your image, just click on that and click enter for that. Okay. Sorry. Okay, this is the corrections. This is the filtrations of your image. If you want to dark, just click on that. Brightness, this is the brightness and the contrast options of images. I'm going to select this. Okay, I'm going to back with this. See, if you want to remove background, just click on that. See, keep changes. See, our images will gone with the remove background. Now I'm going to Control Z for getting back my images. And this is the artistic effects. If you want to give your image with the artistic fonts or the pencil grayscale or the drawing format, just select on that, click. See, our images will change. Okay, in this format tab. Now moving back to the insert ribbon box. If you want to add this any command, PowerPoint, this is the word style. You can select the word style in format tool. Okay, this is the word style and this is the effect. You can see, give any effect you want and changes will appear in the 3D directions or any other directions. See, I'm going to change the color first. You can change this in format. See, the new text will appear. Okay, and this is the text effect. ABC transform. If you want to effect this, see, our oval shape will created in the document. I am going to blank shape for that. Click. I'm going to delete all the text boxes for that, creating images. Okay. Now going to insert word art in the text. Select that. PowerPoint. Okay. This can increase this box. Go to text effects and the transform, where you will able to do any of that, wrap text, or you can follow the path or round the shape and the round and the arc up. There's the various options PowerPoint gives you to change your text in the format. I'm going to change in transform in this arc up. Okay, see, going to change the color. Go to home, select the color we want. See, and if you want to put any other text, just click on that, insert in the text box, just drag, give the name Microsoft. Okay, I'm doing Microsoft, and the center for that, increasing the font by pressing Ctrl Shift plus greater than on your keyboard, or decreasing the font, the shortcut key for the Ctrl Shift plus lesser than key. Okay, select by dragging it anywhere you want. Select this. Okay, now in PowerPoint you can animate text and objects such as clip art, shapes and pictures. Animation or movement on the slide can be used to draw the audience attention to specific content or to make the slide easier to read. There are 4 types of animations. There are several animations effects you can choose from, and they are originated or organized into 4 types. The first is the entrance and the bounce, emphasis, exist, and motion paths. Now let's see the first animations, which is entrance. Just click on that text. Okay, see, in the home ribbon, in the ribbon animations, these control how the object enter the slide. For example, with the bounce animation, that object will fall onto the slide and the bounce several times. Just click on the bounce. This is the appear. See, when you double click on that appearance animations, it will show you in your presentations. Now you can go to drop down menu for more options. This is the appears, fade, wheel, wipe, bold, plus. There are various options PowerPoint gives you the in animations form. I want to this bounce. Just click on that. See, our text is in bounce, going to be bounce in my slide. How you want to change? Just click on that. The double click this. You want to swivel? Click this. See, these all are the animations and the slides. And the emphasis. These animations occur while the object in on the slide, often trigged by mouse click. For example, you can set an object to spin when you click the mouse. Just click that emphasis on this. This is the emphasis. First is entrance and this is the emphasis. When you click the mouse in the see, okay, now go to faces again. I'm going to change this in spin. See, see, our animation will appear in the feed. Okay, and this is the exit. Click on that. First, I'm going to first select on the text. This is the exit. These control how the object exits the slide. For example, with the fade animation, the object will simply fade away. This is the fade. I want to select this fade. See, our animations will fade away. At the end of the slides, you have to put a fade or exit in the animations to fade the text or slides. Okay. And the motions, just click on that. This is the motions which will gonna show your the circle and the emphasis effects. Expect that the object move within the slide along with a predetermined path like a circle or an animations, anything you want to change. Okay. Now, moving to the insertion point, PowerPoint allows you to insert a video onto a slide and play it during your presentation. This is a great way to make your presentation more engaging for your audiences. You can even edit the video within the PowerPoint and customize its appearance. For example, you can trim the video length and fade in and much more. Now, to insert a video from file, just go to the insert ribbon, and here you can see the video options in the right corner of the presentations PowerPoint. Just click on that. And now I am going to select the video from my PC. Just click on that, or you can select by online also. Now I'm going to select this video for my presentations and click insert. Now it will appear. The video will be added to the slide. With the screen recording features on the insert tab, you can create a video of anything you are doing on your computer and insert it into a slide. Sometimes websites like YouTube allow you to embed videos into your slides, and embedded video will still be hosted on its original website, meaning the video itself won't be added to your file. Embedding can be a convenient way to reduce the file size of your presentation, but you will also need to be connected to the internet for the video to play. If you don't have internet connection, the video will not be played in that case. Working with videos. To preview a video, just click a video selected it, click this play button. See, our video will be playing. Okay. Now I'm going to stop this. To jump a different part of a video, click anywhere you want. See, anywhere you want to jump a video, like similar, VLC or any that. To resize a video, click and drag the corner sizing handling until the video is desired size in your options. Just click on that and drag it. Okay. See, our video will be reduced by size. Okay. I'm going to put here, and now I'm going to play again. See, to move a video anywhere, just drag it down anywhere you want to move, and you want to delete the video, just click on that and backspace, it will gone, or you can press the delete key on your keyboard. I'm going to Control Z, increase the video size. Okay, this is the just click double, or you can select any subtitle from that animations format. I'm going to select this black border for that my video. See, it will appear in my video. Okay, you can give anything you want. If you want to send back it, go to the back, send backward. See, our logo, it will appear in my above the video. Earlier it will in behind. I'm going to Control Z for that. See, the images the images is in behind the video. Now I'm going to select and go to the arrange, send to back. Our images will appear above the video, and the text also above the video, just because of arrange, send to back. Now I'm going to select and bring it front. Now it will all behind. Okay, if you want to trim the video, just click on that, select the video and the trim options, resize here, poster frame, Now, if you want to trim the video size, you can go to the tell me feature. If you don't want to go, just click on that trim. It will appear trim video. Just click on that. The dialog box will appear in the presentation slide. Just click on that. You can drag, you can shorten your video on your desired. I'm going to put in 1 minute. Go and check. Okay, just click on that. It will take time to convert. Keep patience. Now my video is converted or trimmed in C. Earlier it was 7 minutes or plus 7 minutes. Now it become under 2 minutes. It is trimmed. Okay. Now if you want to fade and fade out the video, just click on that, play the fade back, tap the desired value, fade, just click on that fade out in tell me features. Okay. Now I'm going to delete this video. PowerPoint allow you to add audio also in your presentations. For example, you could add background music to one slide and a sound effect to another, and even record your own narrations or commentary. You can then edit the audio to customize it for your presentation also. So to insert audio from a file, in our example, we will insert an audio file saved locally on your computer, but I am going to put the default sound. Go to the insert. There's the audio options, audio on my PC and the recorded audio. I want to put any of the music or background sounds. Just click on that. Animations, transitions, sorry. Here you can see the sound. Click the desired sound you want. I'm going to click sound over there, or drum roll. Now I'm going to select this drum roll. Apply to all. You can apply to all, or you can select any one of your slide. If you want to put the sound all the slides, just click on that apply to all. Or if you want to give any particular slide the backgrounds for that, just click on that, simply select with the desired slide. Now I'm going to select for all. See, it will all appear in my sheets. I'm going to check. Yes, it will work. Maybe you will not, you can't, but it will work in my sheets. Okay. This is the form of putting any sounds by default here, or you can give any recorded sound from insert ribbon box in the audio section. Okay, and this is the video sections and the screen recording. If you want to the recorded off screen, just click on that. I'm going to click this. Okay, and this is the header and footer like MS Office Word we used in MS Office Word. If you want to add a date in the header and the footer, Just click on that and give your footer. Click apply to all, or if you want to apply in particular slide, just click apply in also. I'm going to apply all to my slides. See, and the date will appear and the footer will appear also in all the slides. Now I'm going to see it will work or not. See, all the slides will appear in my date and the IYDS, which is footer. Okay, and this is the slide number. If you want to give slide number, just click on that slide number. Notes and hangouts. Apply to all. See, our slide number will be appear in my slide. Okay, this is the 2 slide, 3. See, the slides will appear. 4 slides, the number of slides will appear in my presentation slides. You want to delete, just go to slide number, insert home, untick the slide number, untick the footer if you want to remove the footer, or if you want to delete date and time, you can just click on that, uncheck, it will gone. See, all the slides, header and footer and date and time will gone to my from my slides. Okay. Now moving to the tables format. Tables are another tool you can use to display information in PowerPoint. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Tables are useful for various tasks, including presenting text, information, and numerical data. You can even customize tables to fit your presentations also. To insert a table, from Insert tab, this is the Insert Home Ribbon tab. To insert a table, click the table. Here is the table. Now I'm going to select the blank slide for that inserting table. Go to Insert Ribbon. On table, just click on that. If you want to 5 column, 2 rows, just select on that desired. Or if you want to more, just select on that more options for that. Okay, now I'm going to select 5 columns, 5 columns, 2 rows, 3 rows, or 4 rows, 7 columns and 7 rows. Okay, see, our table will appear in my slides. If you want to increase the table size, just drag by pressing this corner functions key. Okay, or if you want to change the design of your table, just click on that design. There are several designs PowerPoint gives you. Just click on that. I'm going to this. See, our design will appear in our slides. Total row. If you want to header, just in first column, just click on that. This is the first column and the last column. See, branded rows. Okay, modifying tables, just click on that, right? MS Office tab functions for inserting in another cell, insertion point. To put an insertion point in another cell, just click on tab on your keyboard, tab key on your keyboard. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access. I'm going to delete this. Now you want to delete any columns, just click on that. Three options. Again, I am putting the new table. I'm going to delete this. Control Z for deleting. Backspacing. Okay. If you want to draw a table, just go to insert table, draw table. If you want to put a column here, just click on that. Okay, just click on that. Where you want to draw, just drag it. Okay, see, our table will creating. Fine. Okay. Now Control Z for undo all the changes. I'm going to delete this table. Now, if you want to put a chart on your slides, just click on the insert tab on slide. Now I'm going to select this column chart. You can select what you want to put in your slide. This is line, pie, bar chart. There's several pie charts or charts. MS PowerPoint will give you. I'm going to select this chart for that. My slides. See, our slides will appear with the Excel sheets. If you want to give any particular, this is default category. If you want to change the category, just click on that and put your desired category. Excel. Yeah. Spreadsheets. No. Access. Okay. You want to change series number also? I'm going to just see. Just click for our tab. Our chart will appear and the word Excel PowerPoint Access, and this is the series 1 2 3. This is the line chart. You can filter off. Just click on that filter button. See, if you want to change the color, you can select. If you want to highlight any of the series, you can just click on that. I want to highlight the Word or Excel. Just click on that Excel. It will. Okay, and apply. Now, if you want to add any elements from the chart, just click on the plus button here. This is the elements chart will appear. If you want to element, just give these elements. I want to put a up down bars for that chart. Just click on that. See, my elements will created in my chart. If you want to change the effects, you can change by clicking that. See, our effect will change. And this is the theme style for my charts. See, it will change. If you want to change the size of color, go to the, just double click, then the format chart area will appear in your sheets. Just go to the gradient. If you want to change the color, just click on the solid color. If you want to solid color, if you want to put a pictures, just click on that picture, choose a file, choose a picture from file. I'm going to select this file. See, our picture will display in our chart. If you want to remove that, just click on that untick, select gradient fill for undo, and this is the border line. If you want to border it, just click on that, increase the width point, just increases the width point from the PT. Is this the width point? You want to change the color of the border, just click on that border color. See, it will change the border color. If you want to round it, by label it, you can select the filter also. It is a joint type. It functions in the joint type border. Okay. If you want to change the thick color in the double sided, you can select this a compound type. Or if you want to dash type, just click on that dash tab. See, our dash tab border will create in my charts. Okay. These are all the functions. Just put what you want according to your needs. Okay. Now I'm going to delete my chart. I'm going to show another options, another features of graphics. The smart art, this is the smart art in insert ribbon. This is the insert smart art. Allows you to communicate information with graphics instead of just using text. These are a variety of styles to choose from, which you can use to illustrate different types of ideas, and the smart graphic to show your pictures more specified way. Select the slide, just go to the smart, select the slide by your choice. On this type, a dialog box will appear. This is the dialog box. Choose a smart graph. If you want to choose any of that, this is the list process. Basically, it is used for the functions in organizations, big manufacturing companies, or any rotationals. This is the relationships chart, matrix charts, pyramid, pictures, office.com, hierarchy, process. This is the process key, list. I want to this process key. If you want to select any of that, just I want to select this, go to OK. See, our process smart tab will create it in my slides. To add a text to a smart graphic, just click on that, just select the text pane will appear. Give your words, anything you want. Okay. If you want to change, just click on that change color. The color will change. If you want to change the color, just go to the change color. The color will change and the shaded will appear in other hand. This is the 3D. See, various functions for designing your charts. Smart art. See, fine. Okay. Now, moving to the spelling pen. While mistakes when you type don't be, PowerPoint provides you with several proofing features, including the spelling and the grammar tool that can help you to produce professional error presentations, free presentations professionally. To run a spell check from the review tab, just go to the review ribbon tab. You can see the spelling error, spelling options, or you can click the F7 key on your keyboard. Just click on that. I want to put this point spelling wrong, so it will appear. This is the point I'm going to change the for correcting my spelling. It will work or not, just I want to see that. Just click on that. See, our suggested point, it will give you 3 options for that: point, poem, poet. Just click on that correct options and change. See, where is my, see, our spelling will be in correct form. Now click on the spelling bar. In this view ribbon, there is a spelling of suggestions. Okay, just click on that. See, if there is no suggestions, it will appear in the no suggestions. If there is no mistake in your slides, it will appear in no suggestions. Okay, just click on that. Just resume this, ignore all. Okay. Now, we have 6 slides in our presentations. You want to put any slide, new slide in this 3 or 4 slides, between the 3 or 4 slides, just click on that 3 slides first. Go to the home. There is the new slides options. There's a various slides presentations give you. You can select what you want. I'm going to select this title only. See, our slide in 3 or 4 between, it will created in number 4. Okay. Or you want to arrange the, just drag it down or up. I want to put 5 slides in 2, up 3. Just drag or just click on that. According to your slides, the number will automatically change. Okay. Now we will covering all the ribbon box, ribbon tab one by one. File, there's options of new templates. You can choose the templates from that. Open, you can open your pre-edited file from there. Save, you can save this. or you can just save as a copy. Just click on that save, choose a path and save as with the name, other name format. And this is the print. If you want to print your document, your presentation, just click on the print and choose your printer from here. Okay, number of copies. If you want to take 2 copies or 3 copies, just put a 3 or 2, any. Okay, now this is the print all sites. If you want to current print, just click on the print current slide. Okay, this is the one slide, it only will be printed. Or if you want to all, just print all slides. This all slides will be print. If you want to pages, full pages per sites, if you want to print 6 files, as we have 6 slides in my presentations, and I want to put in one pages, I want to print in one pages 6 slides in one pages. No, so I want to choose in this 6 slides horizontal, or you can select a vertical also. Now I'm going to select 6 slides in one page, in one A4 page. Click on that. See, all the 6 slides will merge into a one page. Okay. Or if you want to put 2 slides in one page, just click on the 2 slides. See, our 2 slides merge into one page. Or if you want to change 4, 3, there are several options. The 9 slides vertically, this is the maximum of 9 slides. Okay. And this is the collated one by one. This is the, if you want to print one, and you don't have to print 2 pages, 2 slides, number of slides. If you want to print one slide, 5 slides, 6 slides, this you can select that collated. And this is the uncollated 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3, 3. And this is the page orientations. This is the by default portrait. I want to put in landscape mode. Just click on that landscape. See, our page will be displayed in landscape, which is horizontal. And this is the portrait mode, which is vertically. And this is the color. You can select the color, grayscale or black and white of your. See, our black and white slides will appear going to print. Understood? And this is the share, export, close, account, in options, save as. Choose the path, give the name of your presentations, select the PowerPoint presentations, or you can select the PDF if you want to convert in PDF, or if you want to change in JPEG format, which is the image format, you can just click on that and click on the save. Okay. Info. If you want to protect your sheet, just go to the info and click on that protections presentations. Click on that encrypt, give the password, re-enter the password and hit OK. Okay. Now, going to shade transitions. If you want to shade your slides, Just click on that. See, wipe. See, our slide will changes. Going to change. Okay. Now I am going to preview my slides. Just click F5 functions key, F5 on your keyboard. Press the F5 for preview your slides, or you can just click on that quick access in slide preview, start from the beginning. Just click on that. See, our slides will appear. Okay, with the sounds. Finished. So, end of this session, participants question and answer will be taken tomorrow. If you have any questions, doubts, queries, you can feel free to mail us, or you can just ping me on WhatsApp, on group. Now, I would like to thank all the participants who successfully joined this workshop, and I know all of you taking time off your busy schedule means world to our organization. Above all, I would like to thank all of you here for making this workshop a success through your valuable contribution and active participations throughout the workshop, and especially during this pandemic time. I can only be proud and grateful of the interest you expressed on the topic MS PowerPoint theme. But remember one thing, our work does not end here. You do more practice for familiar with that software, and don't forget to fill the feedback form for receiving certificates. Only those who have filled the feedback form will get the certificates. Remember that. So don't forget to fill that feedback form, which is circulated in your WhatsApp group after the session. And after the session for 1 hour your question and answer sessions. So participants can use the WhatsApp group discussion platform for asking the questions related to lecture. Our WhatsApp group will be open after the session for 1 hour. It will open for 1 hour after the session. Our WhatsApp group open for 1 hour. Just put your questions. I will be answers tomorrow via YouTube video. Okay, your question will be addressed through a video by tomorrow itself. Now I am going to end my session. Hope you all good. Now I am ending for today. Take care. Bye bye. We will meet next workshop. Thanks to all of you. Have a good day. Bye.